This budget photography hack got some of my product photography featured on KKW Fragrance by Kim Kardashian's Instagram 3 separate times. I've used this for stuff that I sell online, for jobs that I've had, and if you have a business selling anything online, especially small stuff, this is really going to help you. So what you're going to want to do is go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or any other kind of home improvement store and get you some tiles. So they come in a variety of sizes. Usually they're either half the size of this, which I think is 1 foot by 1 foot, or this one is 1 foot by 2 feet. So occasionally you can find them bigger, but those are the two most common sizes you're going to find. The ones I like are the bigger ones, but the small ones work great for small jewelry or little wallets and stuff like that. They cost around $2 to $5 each, and what's nice is they come in a lot of different colors. What I like to do is stack one up against a wall and then set the other one on the ground next to it, and that way you can take a picture of stuff standing up.